Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ki noilam jom ka Jaintia Students Union Central Body. Ki bala yok jujur naki kmi kikpa bat naki noilam shnong kila lejudep ya Skul Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya kepada nak shnong Rymbai East Jente Hills District. Halor ka jingyo pang jangki katu kat ningwat ki Khynnah Skul. Ha ka bala Suba baki bam ya ka jing bam ke bala Sniew. Hau kurwa bala pha ada ka seng ringkat bat ki video. Ha ka arpun driu terik unai wi arjap san la keno baki Khynnah Skul kila yok pang Pynhiar Kpoh priye bat ki wik wi de ki jing pang nadu ka arpu terik unai wi arjap san bat yakini Khynnah Skul la penkin pan ajing sumar HPHC Rymbai. Kini ka kunhun balai alam da education secretary ka GSU usamla bocheru mi posnam. Kila kendu ru yo principal jang skul ban pancing bitchai halor kani ka jingja but let me ru sha PHC Rymbai ban Tohkit na medical health officer in charge halor ka kot ka khia jang ki Khynnah Skul ha ka baula pentikna baki Khynnah kila yo pang Pynhiar Kpoh. Ha ukurwo kinoy alam kaseng kila yathu ba kila pentip ru ya kani jingja sha ka assistant commissioner of food safety joy ban pha penlong ya ka jing Tohkit katkum ka jinglap jang GSU kidan live khandai ngot ki Khynnah Skul ki badang shu kempang ban arphong ngot ki Khynnah Skul ki bala yo pang ha ka arpsan tari unai weng arjap san kinoy alam kaseng kila le jurep ru ya ka jing tai bathamai jang ka GNV campus ha ka ba kila syam kumba khandai person lala ban chna pendap ya ka jing tai.
And potato. Kalau sudah baca dia di lo. Go. Kalau sudah baca dia di lo. Go. Bang, itu ini itu.
Alright, okay.
Kan dua aja.
Smart, huh?
No, this one old one. September. This one is new one.
Sorry? You know the new one.
Kamu ni bet semua ke? Kamu ni bet? Hah? Mangas ni.
Masih smart. Hah? हम ठहर रहे वो ये था ना Coba kan
Are you following the guidelines of DM Posan? Keeping in lines the nutritional standards of what the students should eat?
According to nutritional standards, all the nutritious ingredients must be given by to the students in a daily basis. So, according to breakfast, lunch, dinner, and all the items, that is the old one. Because whenever we updated new one, we tested it.
For how long?
Huh?
How long will it
No,
the menu, how long will it last?
No, it will especially based on the seasonal time. Like suppose this time
winter.
This winter we got banana. We will add that banana in the pan. And according to season and every month we have a meeting with student also, like mess meeting. In that whatever they desire, whatever they want to, they want in the menu, we will add something plus minus we will do. We will conduct that meeting also. So according to we will finalize this.
Are you a part of the committee where they decide what to eat, how much to eat?
Yes, mess
committee. Are you a member or?
No, I'm the in charge. I'm overall in charge.
In the committee, in the mess committee?
Mess meeting.
You are the in charge.
Tới giờ phải mấy nó. Phải chứ, ta.
Go.
Those who are not,
Is it available?
yeah, in the dinner time. and rice dal, chicken for non-veg, and those who are not taking chicken, so for them paneer is there for vegetarian.
39. 39 only. They only because they are sick. And how many sick currently in campus?
Currently in morning, they around 20 of them are sick.
20 of them are sick. Do you know why you're getting sick?
I don't know about that.
A sister in charge, he take you to the PC?
Yeah, they take all the students, those who are sick right now in the morning, take them to the PC.
And that means total boys and girls, right? They're sick.
Yeah, boys also there, but boys not that much.
Girls more.
Girls.
When boys also they don't have no, but girls only. No sir, girls only they have that problem. Boys no one. Then I suspected that alu salami, no. I think like that. If food poisoning is there, all the students they will get sick, no. Even boys also. I think like that.
So up to now, that means no boys are sick.
No boys.
No boys have diarrhea.
Only top and cold is there, no diarrhea.
But as per the records we have checked here in PHC, we can see that there are some number of boys who are
Boys.
sick.
For today.
Yes, on Sunday. Sunday,
Sunday.
Sunday,
Saturday,
yes.
Sunday.
It's Saturday night, I think.
Saturday night.
That around 11 p.m. or 12 p.m. You went to the dispensary with around 8 or 9 students.
Today now.
Not today, on Sunday.
Sunday.
Sunday 12 p.m. in the night.
Didn't go hospital.
Because we
I
hear us.
think my parents they took them, I think. Maybe.
But around 5 p.m., 6 p.m. That time also.
Boys or girls are maybe girls, no sir. Boys I don't think so. Girls only.
Girls, yes.
Girls only. Yeah, mostly it's affected to girls only.
But then, madam, okay, I'll ask you one question. Do you think that mess hall is healthy as a you are a medical practitioner, you are a nurse, right, madam?
Sir, we are not getting enough water. Okay. Many times we wrote letter also. When the girls hostel also now we are not getting enough water. That we are using that one, that groundwater.
Yeah,
It's
borewell
totally,
pipe water.
It's fully red in color.
Red.
But we are not using that one. For drinking purpose, though, we used to use this RO water.
Which the same water only, but clear to me.
No, this one is by one only, by one only. This one is by water, by one, not groundwater, sir. Then we are giving to them for drinking purpose. And for washing clothes and all, we are buying another water from this house, this home, we are buying that one. Then that one, those students they are using for toilet.
Yeah, for breathing, I believe.
That one bucket only one. So better is that please you collect correct information from student.
That's what we are collecting correct information. That's why we
Yeah,
are
we
here
are staff of
from
this
that
school,
time.
na.
That's what.
You cannot means I'm not saying I am telling lie. I'm not saying like that. Okay, you can collect correct information from student only, sir.
That's why we are here from afternoon till evening right now. Also, we are going to collect information only. Approximately yesterday or day before, Kaabijin met 12 p.m. Kumba. Let's say 11 p.m. to 12 p.m. Approximately kita midnight.
Admin masuk ke Sunday Sunday. Oh Sunday itu admin itu. Kita waiting show ay.
Kita tetap approximately kat nur kita doktor.
Armut kiyo. Lainnya tahun itu kalau show akan itu. Kita jam itu ya.
Become admin armut bab admin kita admin per kita approximately kan no.
Dua admin apa kita lainnya
Sama kita bab admin lah.
Apa entah?
Nah, aku ada approximately insyaallah. Di haki ni Sniew nado ka Sniew Friday kan si Oma. Nado ka Friday kat nomor try approximately ki Khynnah Skul nanti ado menta ka Sniew ki buat sim dawai Kibon.
Friday.
Naduk Friday, naduk kan ni ke Friday pada. Betul? Cuma naduk ke Saturday. Yang Saturday tu udah Senin betul?
Oh, yang
Ha, sejak Sunday, Monday, Mutasi, Tuesday, South ni. Apa semua try kat nunggu kena di nanti di bawah ni.
Friday yang try gimbal. Jadi Sunday itu ini siapa?
Mana ada Mutasi buat. Mutasi kat nunggu try betul. Kan apa semua ni dah. Kini student Mutasi dan bagi admit ni kira rekomen siapa
Kita akan dikembal kita di tampil gitu.
Kini kita akan kena bagi admit hari ni hari Sunday. Ini hari Sunday lab prognosis kuno bagi is it related anyhow to food poisoning?
Someone like that.
Someone like that.
Diagnostic na abi diarrhea itu.
Oh,
Diagnostic kan. Diagnostic na apa itu?
Ini speks pemerintah ini. Apply scan box.
Kalau saya penting. No, they can discuss on this one. We have to get the phone. Anything ini dia.
Iya. Men sikit aku mana? Hah? Pak nak sebab dia rak min pan.